Okay. Hi, my name is Friedrich Leimeler. I am a German pharmacist. As owner of a pharmacy, I've been working in this field for about 40 years. For me, the health of the human beings has always been important. And in my opinion, it's crucial to find out the deep and real cause of an illness. So about 2 years ago, I got to know the essentials of the new German medicine, which could give me all the answers I have always been looking for. If you know the causes behind your symptoms, you are able to understand your symptoms as a perfect support of nature for healing your illness in a deep psychological and finally physical way. Knowledge about the natural mechanism of regulations will change your understanding of healing completely. I myself suffered for many years from hay fever, but since I found out the reason with the help of the new German medicine, I have hardly or no symptoms at this time of suffering anymore. This book of Björn Eibel, The Psychological Causes of Disease, is written in a clear and understandable way. Therefore, and not only therefore, it's a must-have for everybody who wants to be able to take care of his own health and to find out the real and deep cause of his health conditions behind pain and symptoms. Thanks for listening. I wish you success in all your efforts to stay healthy or to get healthy. Be happy and don't forget to live, to laugh and to love.
Super, das war gut. Perfekt war das. Du hast noch gefällt dran, gell?
Ja, das ist ein bisschen